This is actually a hidden gold mine. This is an easy way to make money no matter where you live. In this video, I'm going to share with you some side hustles that you can actually do this year that are actually profitable and will help you to develop multiple streams of income. Hey honeybees, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Ciara and I do videos on finance and lifestyle. I'm a full-time mortgage loan officer and YouTuber, and I've helped hundreds to buy homes and build wealth, so I take everything I know and I share it with you in hopes you build wealth also. Okay, so you need some extra money. Or maybe you really just love the idea of working from the comfort of your own home. Or maybe you just want multiple streams of income. I'm gonna share with you some side hustles that you can actually do this year. Okay, so number one, teach English online. Teaching English online is something that most people can do if you speak English as your first language. So by teaching English online, you are able to teach something that you know well and on your own timing. I get asked a lot when I do these kind of videos where I recommend, and I definitely recommend using VIP Kid. That is what I've recommended in previous videos. VIP Kid provides an international learning experience to children in China ages 4 to 12. It's located in Beijing and San Francisco with teachers all over the US and Canada. The company offers fully immersive one-on-one English language instruction provided online by high-quality teachers. The curriculum actually uses a flipped classroom approach, which helps to foster creativity and critical thinking skills. So teaching English online is going to do a number of things for you. It's going to benefit you in so many ways. So you get flexibility in teaching time. VIP Kid, in particular, offers flexibility for teachers to open time slots at their convenience so you can work when it's good for you. So VIP Kid offers flexibility in teaching locations as well. Teachers are able to teach from wherever as long as the location is covered by high-speed Wi-Fi. Teachers are able to earn service payments, and this is equivalent to about $14 to $22 an hour. Okay, so to be eligible on the VIP Kid platform, you must hold a bachelor's degree, have at least 2 years working experience with children, and eligibility to work in the United States or Canada. And with this, you can really set your own schedule. It offers so much autonomy and flexibility. So definitely make sure to check out VIP Kid. You can set your own schedule, teach one-on-one, and get paid. And you can start today making good money on the side. Click the link in the description box below to check it out. Number two, manage social media for small businesses. This is actually a hidden gold mine. Small businesses, like think your mom and pop shops or other small businesses, they don't have the time or the energy or the resources to just be posting on social media all day. A great way to dive into this, so take it upon yourself to contact local businesses and offer up your services for a monthly contracted fee. This is an easy way to make money no matter where you live. Number three, create an ebook. Now, I know people tend to roll their eyes when you hear someone encourage you to make an ebook. It's actually not as daunting as it may seem. There are a lot of ways to self-publish now, and I, in fact, prefer ebooks when it comes to certain things because it feels more like the author is sitting down and talking to me. So you don't have to be a college professor. You don't have to be a professional. You can take anything that you are knowledgeable about and love to talk about and put it all into an ebook and sell that bad boy. I honestly think this is way more slept on than it should be. And I love ebooks because they are easier to read, more relatable, and affordable. What I would do is just start with Google and find some places that you like that offer self-publishing and go from there. Number 4, become a personal shopper. So if you like to shop and you want to shop for other people, you could effectively become a personal shopper. So if you live in an urban metropolis with concentrated wealth, then that means personal shopping services are in high demand in your area. I encourage you to scour the web and other resources like Thumbtack to help you find people that are looking for personal shoppers. Okay, number 5, sell products and services. I kept number 5 general because there's a variety of ways you can slice and dice this. So the first way is to physically sell items. So that means garage sale, consignment shop, Craigslist. There's apps that you can sell items on and meet people in person to give it to them. Anything that you can physically sell. It can be things that you already have, or maybe you're able to find something else to sell. Virtually selling, so that's things like Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, drop shipping, and affiliate marketing. So with drop shipping, you can advertise the products on a web page of your own and people buy them, but you don't have to worry about any of the back end, packing, shipping, customer service. Someone else or a larger manufacturer takes care of all of that for you. And with affiliate marketing, you're not required to physically sell products either. You're simply giving people a coupon code or a link that you recommend for them to try the products. And if they do click on the link and buy a product, most affiliate contracts or the way affiliate links work is that you get a commission or a percentage of the amount that you sell. So drop shipping and affiliate marketing are two completely hands-off ways to sell things if you don't want to put as much time and energy into the physical part of selling things. You can also sell services on like Fiverr, Upwork, TaskRabbit, or even just to family and friends. Maybe you can sell your babysitting services, or maybe you do nails or you do hair, or maybe you're talented in some other area that you can help family and friends in, offer your services, and if they're pleased, they can tell other people, and it's just a side hustle you can keep going. And then lastly, you can create products to sell. So think like Etsy. You can also do eBay or other sites, but I think Etsy is probably the best place if you're creative and you like to create things, make things, personalizing things, whatever you're good at and talented at, you can sell on Etsy. So those are 5 ways that you can develop some side hustles and some extra streams of income. I hope those little tidbits were helpful. If they were, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. If you could also make sure to subscribe to join the Honeybee fam, hit the bell button so you can be notified when I upload again. And don't forget to leave a comment below or a question if you have it. I check all comments in the first 24 hours of posting. So this is a great way to connect with me if you would like. Thank you so much for watching. I love you to the bank and back, and I'll see you in my next video. And speaking of side hustles and hustles, you'll definitely want to check out my video I uploaded right before this one, and that is about how to make money as a loan officer. You can make really, really, really good money as a loan officer, but the key is to getting clients and getting business. So in this video, I break down everything you need to know in order to get clients, get business, make money, get a network. And this is a great job opportunity for those of you who are interested in the real estate industry. I get a lot of questions about it. So please, before you leave any questions or comments on the loan officer job or side hustle or content, please check out that video first.